Hey y'all, welcome. I hope everyone's having a good day today. So today I am going to try to create me a nice, inexpensive fall wreath using these $1.25 ribbons that I purchased from the dollar store here. Now I've been seeing quite a few YouTubers use this technique, which I find is very easy to do. The only difference that I will be doing is that I will be incorporating these the pumpkins here I have gotten from the dollar store. Dollar Tree, actually. One piece came loose. It sounds good. You call it pumpkin garland. Paid $3 for it. So I'm gonna try to put them a few throughout the wreath. I'm sorry, in the wreath when I finish the ribbon part of the wreath. You know what I'm saying? And also, I got these wire stems that I've just had laying around in my house. I'm gonna cut these in half, and this is what I'm going to use to help secure the ribbons down. And of course, I got my wire cutter. So. All right, y'all. So I'm back with my second set of ribbons. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna try to overlap this here on top of what I had cut off, so it can continue to have a uniform look. And I know I told you all that I took this wire stem, and I cut them in half, but then I had to take that half and cut it in fourths because the stems were a tad bit too long for me to be twisting up. So, and also now I've seen where some use the the pipe cleaners. I think this is what you call it, like the little fuzzy wire stems or the zip ties. So either one will work. But like I say, I had these laying around, so I just need some just to secure it, just good enough to where I can work with it and it'll be all good, okay? Okay, y'all, so I'm back. So now I have finished putting the ribbons on the wreath here, and what I'm about to do is I'm gonna start separating them out, which I've started some, but I'm just gonna show you how you just randomly just pull them apart. If you want to mix it up, you can. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, and just kind of fluff them out on your way as you separate them out. That's what I was meaning to say. All right, you all. So I'm almost finished with this beautiful wreath here. What I went ahead and did is that I took the pumpkins off the garland and I cut 4 of them up, and I just randomly placed them along the wreath in spaces where I know I can kind of easily separate it out and glue it without a problem. So I think it looks pretty good so far. All right. Okay, y'all, so this here is the final product. Tell me what y'all think about this. Is it a yay or nay? But anywho, thank you all so much for watching. Make sure you share, like, and subscribe.